I typically plan at my desk, but it could use a little bit of updating. So today is all about updating and organizing your desk. For this drawer makeover, you'll need adhesive spray and your paper of choice. Scissors are optional. First, we removed the drawer and cleaned it. Then we cut the paper to size by forming a crease in the paper by pressing it up against the edge of the drawer. Then we sprayed the adhesive to the back of the paper. We aligned and applied the paper to the drawer. This is where the repositionable aspect of the spray comes in handy so you don't tear your paper as you try to line up the edges with the drawer. Then we repeated these steps for the second sheet. For the desk organization, I'm choosing to only keep items that I use on an almost daily basis. Everything else is kept in the planner card that I showed in a previous video. I'm using these Recollections rectangular and square divider trays from Michael's to store binder clips, washi, sticky notes, and in this container I have chapstick, whiteout, my favorite planning pen, and some mild liners in the colors that I'm using for my stress tracker. I have notepads here with some pretty pens. I also have some of my favorite planner clips in this glass tray to have on hand. Then I'm using this Iris 4x6 photo storage case from Michael's to hold my calculator, which is really helpful for tracking my monthly expenses in my planner. And of course, I want to store my planner in this drawer. The idea of this is that I can have my planner open to the current week for easy access. I hope this video gave you some ideas for organizing your planning supplies, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!